For financial year 2018-19, the estimated budget is 52 crore 88 lakh. This year's budget is also deficit. It's a small deficit amount.
How much it comes to?
As of today, it is 3 crore 20 lakh deficit.
And on which segment?
In the budget of corporation, the major head of expenditure is always salaries and wages of employees. But this year focus is on improving municipal services, and we have also focused on developmental works for all the 30 wards of the city. For the city as a whole, it is 5 crore 50 lakh. We do not have separate budget for each and every ward. It is for the city as a whole, 5 crore 50 lakh. And then there are some other minor heads under which also we can take up small development works.
Any new development that could come up in the upcoming financial year in the city for which extra budget has been kept or something?
So far we have not kept anything extra from our budget head, but corporation will approach government of Goa for some grant for development work, under which we are considering the repair and maintenance of the drainage network of the city, because Panjim being at the sea coast, we are at water level, sea level, and whenever there is heavy monsoon and if it is coupled with high tide, we encounter frequent flooding. In this situation, we need to have a very good drainage system. So corporation has decided to move to government of Goa for some grant for this particular project, and if that grant comes, then we will start working on the repair, maintenance and reconstruction of drainage network in the city.
Of digging of roads and all. What was the issue exactly?
That was not part of today's budget meeting discussion. This is a separate issue. Reliance Jio has come up with a proposal of laying optical fiber network, and that exact length I am not sure, something around 8 kilometers. So corporation has taken a resolution that they have taken rather two resolutions. One is about the rate which has to be charged for road cutting and digging, which is rupees 2000 per meter. Taking this rate, a demand note has been issued to Reliance Jio. Another resolution of corporation is permission for road cutting to any private commercial agency will not be given without the consideration of corporation. So the honorable corporator was perhaps misunderstood the two aspects. One thing is giving demand note as per the rate of corporation. So demand note has been already issued to Reliance Jio, but permission has not been granted. Permission will be granted only after corporation meeting. So he had misunderstood that demand note as permission, which was clarified by Honorable Mayor and other corporators.